Hi friends, in this video let us understand what is symbiotics, examples, benefits and applications within 3 to 5 minutes. Let's take the word symbiotics. Syn means together a combination of probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics are live beneficial bacteria living in our gut like E. coli, lactobacillus, etc. Prebiotics are food for this bacteria. Symbiotic are basically a combination of probiotics, that is beneficial living organisms, and prebiotics, that is non-digestible food components that feed these microbes, that is designed to work synergistically to promote host health by stabilizing and supporting the gut microbiota. So probiotics can thrive well in the gut in the presence of prebiotic as it gets food from this prebiotic so that the host system has a healthy microbiota supported by these two. And this combination is called as symbiotics. Now let us understand some more examples of probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics include all favorable good bacteria like E. coli, lactobacillus, bifidobacterium, etc. that is present widely in yogurt, kefir, aged cheese, miso, etc. There are many foods that are probiotics. Prebiotics are food for these bacteria to optimally grow in the gut environment. That includes inulin, galacto-oligosaccharides or GOS, and fructo-oligosaccharides or FOS. This inulin is widely present in chicory root and garlic, whereas galacto-oligosaccharides and fructo-oligosaccharides are widely present in onion and banana and many vegetables and fruits. So these two, when combined, forms the symbiotic that is beneficial for the survival of this beneficial bacteria inside our gut. The benefits of symbiotics are it enhances the survival and colonization of probiotics or favorable bacteria that is living in our gut. It improves digestion, nutrient absorption, and gut barrier function. It also helps in modulating immune system and suppression of harmful pathogens by the enhanced growth, optimal growth of probiotics. It is also involved in the prevention and treatment of gut dysbiosis related conditions like diarrhea, metabolic disorders, and inflammatory disorders. Finally, the applications include it is used as a functional food supplement, or therapeutic agents for maintaining or restoring healthy gut microbiota. Research is going on for optimized combinations of probiotics and prebiotics for maximum health impact. Hope you are clear. Take care, stay blessed. Thank you so much. You are with biologyexamsforyou.com.